Very good morning and warm welcome to my dear children. Today we are going to start with second term portion. In our first term, we have completed total 17 lessons, means our 2 units of English Balbharti. Today we shall begin with unit 3. Subject English, Unit 3, Lesson number 18, Grown Up. Dear children, this is also related to us. We grow up, there are certain changes in us. Here are two incidents about a frog and a butterfly. This is a poem, and with the help of this two fine poem, poet tried to tell us about the changes that take place in the life of a frog and a butterfly. As they are growing, what are the changes occurring? First, let me recite or read the poem for you. Lesson number 18, Grown Up. Mr. Thomas Frog, little Tommy Tadpole, began to weep and wail. For little Tommy Tadpole as had lost his little tail, and his mother did not know him as he wept upon a log. For he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. Second poem, The Butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. While she saw sleeping, she dreamt that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. Dear children, let us see this poem one by one. Let's understand stanza by stanza. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail. For little Tommy Tadpole had lost his tail. Here, tadpole means a stage in life of a frog or toad. At first, the tadpole has a long tail but no arms. So, tadpole in short you can understand as a baby frog. So, a baby frog was sitting and weeping and wailing, means crying loudly, because that Tommy Tadpole, that small baby frog's name was Tommy. Its tail, it had lost its tail. Let's see what happens ahead. And his mother did not know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. He was sitting and crying on a log, on a piece of wood, and his mother could not recognize him because he was no more a baby frog, that is tadpole. He had grown up into Mr. Thomas. So dear children, this is the life story of a tadpole. We will begin with our second poem related to butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. Here, Fuzzy little caterpillar means co- covered with soft fine hair, and chrysalis means a stage in life cycle of butterfly. Also the hard case in which the caterpillar lies till it transforms into a butterfly. That stage is chrysalis. So this caterpillar curls itself into a leaf, and that curling and that formation is called chrysalis. It remains in that it falls asleep, and when she was sleeping she dreamt that she could fly, and later when she woke up she was a butterfly. The caterpillar was dreaming of flying, and when it woke up it was turned into a beautiful butterfly and it could fly. So I hope this poem you have liked it and also understood well. This is how the changes in life take place. Dear children, this is also related to what is happening nowadays. No one has thought of this pandemic, but it had come. Still, we must learn from this tadpole and butterfly to accept the change and move ahead positively. I want you all to remain positive. Keep sanitizing your hands properly. Avoid going out of the house without reason. If you have any specific urgent work, then only you leave the house. Otherwise, you stay at home, keep sanitizing yourself, and don't go out just to roam. Take care of yourself and your family. Meet you tomorrow. Till that, bye.